This gear is LG Home Cinema Soundbar US40T with 2 rear speakers and wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this gear, how to reset the soundbar. I'm going to show you how to reset it and also reconnect it, and also show you how to reset it from the unit and with the remote control. And also we're going to reset it using the app. This is LG ThinQ app. The soundbar and TV both are connected via Bluetooth. Now I want us to go to the TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. So the soundbar and TV both are connected together via Bluetooth. To reset the soundbar, you need to select AI Sound Pro button and volume minus together, and it will disconnect from the TV and it will show you TV speaker from the sound out. So we're going to select volume minus and AI Sound Pro together. So 2-page document. Wireless audio disconnected, sound out setting. So now if you look on the soundbar, it's showing us TV speaker. So this is how to reset the soundbar. You will switch off the soundbar. If you look on the rear speakers, you see that the light is highlighting. What that means, the soundbar is switched off. If you want to connect the soundbar again, you need to switch the soundbar on. So switch the soundbar on. So this is the first method to reset the soundbar. Then if you go back again, select Bluetooth. Then it will connect to the TV. Go to your TV settings. Select TV settings. Then select Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list. Select on device list. Reconnect. LG. Select on the LG US40TR. Select on it. Select connect. Paired. So it's connected. Another method to reset the soundbar is for us to use LG ThinQ app. This is LG ThinQ app. If you want to reset it, then you select this button to switch it off. Just tap on this button. And if you look, wireless audio has been disconnected. It's switched off. If you look, the soundbar is switched off. Then if you go to TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. So these are 2 methods to reset the soundbar. You can select volume minus and AI Sound Pro from the remote control, or you reset it using LG ThinQ app. The soundbar will be disconnected and switched off. Thank you very much indeed.